Foldable phones are rapidly evolving, with 2025 set to bring in some of the most innovative and advanced models to date. Advancements in hinge design, display technology, and software optimization are converging to create a new generation of foldables that are more durable, powerful, and user-friendly than ever before. As the competition intensifies, major players like Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, and others are gearing up to release cutting-edge foldable devices that could redefine the smartphone market. Here's a look at the top 5 foldable phones to watch in 2025. Huawei Mate X6. The Huawei Mate X6 is expected to debut in November 2024 in China. It may hit the global markets in 2025. Unfortunately, there's no concrete information about the X6's specifications. However, since the brand recently launched the Mate XT, the world's first tri-foldable smartphone, the Mate X6 is expected to receive a lot of attention from phone enthusiasts worldwide. According to a recent Weibo post by Relatable Leaker, the supply chain for the Huawei Mate X6 is ramping up, indicating increased production orders. This suggests that Huawei is strengthening its position in the high-end 10,000 yuan plus smartphone market. The Mate X6 is expected to be released around November, and there are no competing products anticipated to launch at the same time. The only potential competition is a foldable device, likely the Oppo Find N5, powered by the Qualcomm SM8750, which is expected to be released in the first quarter of next year, with most other foldables following in quarter 2 or 3. The Oppo Find N5. Oppo is reportedly working on the successor to last year's Oppo Find N3 foldable phone. As per reports, the company may adopt the Oppo Find N5 for its next foldable phone, possibly avoiding the number 4 due to cultural superstitions in Asia. And it may be branded as the Find N5 instead of the Find N4. It's expected to debut in the first quarter of 2025. The Find N5 is anticipated to be one of the first foldable phones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It will likely feature a 2K plus resolution screen, a 50-megapixel Sony triple camera with a periscope lens, and a 6,000 mAh battery, marking a significant improvement from its predecessor's 4,800 mAh battery. The device will boast a thinner, lighter design with enhanced durability and some level of waterproofing, running ColorOS 15 based on Android 15 in China. The device is also expected to have wireless charging. OnePlus Open 2. This Find N5 is expected to launch in China and other Southeast Asian markets, while it could be rebranded as the OnePlus Open 2 in regions like India and the US. The specifics about its availability in Europe remain unclear. Vivo X Fold 4. A recent report revealed an upcoming Vivo device with model number V2429, which will debut in the market as the Vivo X Fold 4. According to recent leaks, it'll be one of the first foldable phones to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The device is anticipated to feature a circular camera module on the back, comprising a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a periscope telephoto lens. The Vivo X Fold 4 will sport a silicone battery with an approximate capacity of 6,000 mAh and will support wireless charging. It will also boast an IPX8 water resistance rating. When folded, the phone will have a thickness about 8 mm and the fiberglass variant will weigh around 21x grams. As far as the launch is concerned, it's expected to break cover in the first or second quarter of 2025. The existing X Fold 3 series includes 2 models, such as the Vivo X Fold 3 and the X Fold 3 Pro, that are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 8 Gen 3 chipsets respectively. While the existence of the X Fold 4 has been confirmed, there's no clarity whether there will be a Pro variant. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung has been launching foldable phones since 2019. The brand, which is currently leading the foldable smartphone market, is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July 2025. At present, it's too early for the rumor mill to leak concrete details about it. Considering that the Galaxy Z Fold 6's design closely resembles its predecessors, Samsung may introduce the Z Fold 7 with a new design. With competing brands offering top-notch cameras on their foldable phones, it's likely that the Z Fold 7 will come with an improved set of cameras. The previous iterations from the Z Fold 3 to the Z Fold 6 have featured a 4,400 mAh battery. Hopefully, the Z Fold 7 will arrive with an increased battery size. Other foldable phones expected in 2025 include, for horizontally foldable ones, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Honor Magic V4 or V5, Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Xiaomi Mix Fold 5, and Tecno Phantom V Fold 3. As for vertically foldable phones, they include Vivo X Flip 2, Oppo Find N5 Flip, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, Motorola Razr Razr 60 and Razr 60 Ultra, Huawei Pocket 3, Honor Magic Flip 2, Xiaomi Mix Flip 2, Tecno Phantom V Flip 3, and the Infinix Zero Flip 2.